Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Usamge kwela mfatu wamusamsele kuwes 5 little k ola la musa lambele ubhala laphana ku Instagram story malifake ayi video yakhe anemntwana yakhe wentombatane wabhala ukuthi Pov, you were a passenger princess then became a mom, boom, you are now a backseat butler. So bekasho nje akhombelena ngokuthi at the time angikho pregnant, or the time anganamntwana arada bekangahlali emuva, bekahlala phambili makahamba nemyeni abe passenger princess. And now that sonemntwana olomncane ufuna ahleli emuva, guys. So siyaqala ukuthi ugela sonemntwana, guys, wamusamsele kumntwana entombatane le bonke bantu guys bathi hayi vele wena Snebi kaqinisile ukuthi wena bomngani wakhe, why lo mntwana aphuma afana naSineso. Guys, umntwana umfutile Sine, yosweka ukuthi lo mntwana lona wasinendlela afana ngakhona, bafana nangama-hairstyle, guys. Yabona i-hairstyle yaSinele bekatrenda ngayo lekhana athetha namangwabi, like nje bayafana nemntwana amakhwela shemusa lo uSinene mntwana amakhwela, like nje i-photocopy awuphikisi. So people are just commenting ukuthi girl, it's something njena leto ndlula leyo since unemntwana lomncane, don't feel bad. Ubona ngathi mhlampe ngela usahlala phambili, hey qala bohlala phambili because bongana umntwana, yes vele we know ukuthi if unemntwana lomncane emuva baba kufanele kuhlale emuva because ngala uyadriver umuntu odriver-ko, then umntwana uyakhahlela kwenzakalani kufuna unake umntwana uyakhala. We know vele ukuthi the safest way ukuthi uhlale wena nemntwana emoteni ukuthi emuva. Also people are just comforting her bathi hayi girl kutondlula into nje yesikhashana le, just because unemntwana lomncane vele kufanele wena uhlale kuphi emuva baba. So guys, umakhwela yada kashintshanga even a bit, like she's still pretty, she's still cute, shemuhle. Hi baby nyana, I am Selego. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I will see you in the next one. I'm signing out. So goodbye.